In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an employee report in QuickBooks. Whether you're an office manager, HR professional, or a business owner, knowing how to efficiently generate and print these reports is a crucial skill. We'll take you through the process step by step so you can navigate it with ease. First things first, make sure you're logged into QuickBooks. If you haven't already, begin by clicking on the Sign In button. QuickBooks is available in different forms, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on QuickBooks Online, so make sure to choose QuickBooks Online from the options provided. Once you're on the sign-in page, enter your credentials. This usually means typing in your email address and password that you use regularly for QuickBooks. After entering your details, click Continue to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you'll be logged into your QuickBooks dashboard, and from here we're ready to start generating the report. Next, navigate to the left-hand side of your dashboard and find the Employees section. Clicking on Employees will bring up a list of all current staff profiles. This section is particularly useful for overseeing employee details and managing various HR tasks. Now locate and click on the employee profile for whom you want to generate the report. Once inside the employee's profile, you're going to be looking for the Actions button. Clicking this will bring up a drop-down menu, which has several options regarding actions you can take for this employee. From the drop-down menu, choose Run Report. This will guide you to the report section specific to your selected employee. QuickBooks does a great job at organizing these reports, making it easy to review all necessary details. With your employee report open, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small printer icon there. Clicking this icon will open up the print preview page. It's a helpful step because it lets you review exactly what the printed document will look like. Make sure all details, including any important headers or footers, appear correctly. Finally, once you're satisfied with the preview, click on the Print button. This final step will send your report to the printer. It's a good practice to ensure your printer is loaded with paper and is functioning correctly before you initiate the print command. And there you have it. You've successfully generated and printed an employee report in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, accessing detailed employee reports is made easy, helping streamline your payroll and HR processes effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.